Look at all that pet hair. You as a pet owner already know the struggle, but today I'm gonna show you a secret that's gonna help speed up the process of picking up all that hair. So how you're probably cleaning up this pet hair right now is with your hands, trying to pick up every single individual hair, only to find that that's gonna take you all day. Or you're probably gonna grab a vacuum, only to find that pet hair is really embedded within the fibers of the carpet.
I cannot believe this. Come on, get out.
Or you're probably gonna go ahead and grab one of those lint rollers and try to lint roll your way through your whole interior, only to use over 50 sheets in one go. How do we know this? Well, we're pet owners here as well, and we know that struggle. And between you and I, we're completely over it. And that's why we created our all new Grubbie Edge pet hair removal tool. So we created the Grubbie Edge with 3 different sides to choose from. You have the long dual micro grip edge, perfect for large surfaces. And then you have the short dual power grip edge, designed for tight spots. And last but not least, you have the quick sweep edge, perfect for lighter cleanups. All right, so now let's show it to you in action. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start off by grabbing it from the handle right here, right on top. And since I am gonna be working on this broad surface, I am gonna be using the long dual power grip edge to just go ahead and simply scoop up all the pet hair. As you can see, all you have to do is start wiping in one motion. You don't have to go back and forth. Just go left or right to left and just keep mimicking that motion. And you can see that all that pet hair just starts collecting and compiling together, making it easier for you to just either go ahead and pick it up and scoop it out with your hand, or you can also pair it with the vacuum to clean as you go. The long dual micro grip edge combines 2 ridge patterns that work together to sweep up fur. Finer ridges grab lighter hair from fabrics, while wider ridges work to pull out stubborn embedded fur. Notice how we're getting closer to this little seam over here. Now we're gonna go ahead and swap to the shorter micro grip edge so that we can go ahead and easily get all that hair out of there, because that's the great thing about this tool is that you have 3 different sides to choose from, whether you're working on a broad surface or these little nooks and crannies. The short dual power grip edge uses deeper ridges to hook and pull embedded fur and debris from hard to reach seams, cracks, and corners. No pet hair can hide from the Grubbie. So now we're gonna go ahead and move our way down to this little door sill right here, which as you can see, all that hair just collected alongst that border. And honestly, it could be a real pain in the butt to try to get with this with the longer side. So that's why you have that short side to allow you to easily get into this little crevice and scoop up all that pet hair. The quick sweep edge is great for lighter cleanups, quickly brushing away surface pet hair, and more. Why is this so comfortable? If you're not cleaning your pet hair like this, you're not doing it right. One thing I am noticing is when you do run across this more stubborn pet hair that's really embedded within the fibers of the carpet, go with that short power grip edge to help get that better clean. Look at all that pet fur. You can build like a little dust bunny with this. There you have it. Just from this one little section, we managed to extract all this pet hair, which is actually kind of nasty thinking about it. I'm just grabbing it with my hand. I probably should have worn some gloves, but hey, you know what? Whatever. That is how great the Grubbie Edge tool works. As you can see, it literally just scooped up all that stubborn pet hair from the fibers of the carpet, making it easier for us to just really clean up the rest of it. Like I said earlier, you can literally choose to just scoop it up, pick it up with your hand, or if you have a vacuum, go ahead and pair with that vacuum for that extra deep clean as you go. All right, guys, and just like that, that's how easy it is to pick up the pet hair. And now we have the honor of doing the rest of the interior with our Grubbie pet hair remover tool. And while we're at it, we're also gonna go ahead and just quickly give the whole interior a one over, just quickly using some total interior wipes to quickly wipe it down, get rid of this dog slobber, all this dirt, all this grime, all the dust, and give it that final vacuum and call it a day. So make sure to stay tuned after the montage to see the before and after results. And in the meantime, if you guys wanna pick up your very own Grubbie Edge pet hair remover tool, you can do so by visiting the 𝘃𝗄𝒻𝒂𝒻 website or your local detail garage store. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys. We'll see you on the next one.